Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get data into Excel. First, the simplest method is to copy information from another program and paste it directly into your Excel worksheet. You can use special paste options, like pasting only values or transposing data, to ensure it appears exactly as you need. This is a quick way to transfer smaller datasets or specific pieces of information without much fuss. Next, for structured data from text or CSV files, Excel offers robust import tools. Navigate to the Data tab and select from text/CSV. You can then choose your file and specify how the data is separated, such as by commas or tabs. Excel provides a preview, allowing you to adjust data types for each column before loading it directly into your spreadsheet. Did you know you can pull data straight from the internet? Excel's From Web feature, also found under the Data tab, lets you import tables from web pages. Simply paste the URL, and Excel will identify potential tables. You can then select the specific data you want to bring into your workbook. This is incredibly useful for tracking information that updates online. Finally, for more complex data needs, Power Query is an incredibly powerful tool built into Excel. It allows you to connect to a vast array of data sources, from databases to online services. You can then clean, transform, and combine your data using its intuitive interface before loading the refined information into your Excel sheet. It's perfect for preparing data for analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.